Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Zircon Cosmetics face primer to prime my face. I'm using this Makeup Forever HD foundation in shade 173 and 175. I'm mixing the two together for my face. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight my face. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in Clay 2 to set my highlights. I'm using this Benign Banana Powder to bake. I'm using this Anastasia Brow Pomade in dark brown for my brows. I'm using the same concealer that I used to highlight to clean up my brows and use it as eyeshadow base for my eyes. I'm using this Zircon Cosmetics Little Mermaid Color Splash palette for my eyes. Using this shade Dream for my crease. Next, I'm using this shade Eclipse, this shade right here, my crease too. Next, I'm using this shade right here, this shade Skull Stone on the outer crease and my inner crease. I'm using this shade. It's called Midnight Kiss. I'm using this shade on the center of my lid. Zircon Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this NYX Cosmetics Pink Suit Eyeliner for my waterline. Lipstain. Using Storm I'm using Zekel Cosmetics mascara. I'm using this CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to contour and bronze my cheek. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Glow Kid to highlight my face. I'm using this shade Dripping in Golden Bronze. I'm mixing the two together. I'm using MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus to set my makeup. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Lipstain in the shade. This one is called Nanama. Then this one is called Don't Tell. Shade Nanama. Don't Tell. Zekel Cosmetics.